Hi, in this short tutorial, we'll be touching on the fee involved when sending money for goods and services with PayPal. If you use PayPal to send money for goods and services you purchase on marketplaces, it is important to consider the fee, as many marketplace sellers will want you to include the fee so that they are not shortchanged on their receiving end, as this is where PayPal deducts the final transaction fee. The transaction fee changes dependent on where you are geographically located, but also differs dependent on a range of other things like whether or not currency will need to be converted. In this tutorial, I'll be running my demonstration using Australian dollars, whereby the fee for a goods and services transaction is 2.6% plus 30 cents fixed fee. We'll now head to my PayPal account where I'll run through a transaction where I try to include a little extra to cover the goods and services fee. So once you arrive in your PayPal account, just click that Send Money button. Once you're in there, you'll need to decide who you're going to send the money to for your goods and services. So I'm going to be sending just to Tips and Tricks HQ, and I'll need to select the currency in which I'll be sending and the currency that they will receive. So I'm going to try and send $1 Australian in Australian money that they will receive. So I just punch in that $1, click Continue. And from here, I'll need to make sure that I have chosen the paying for an item or service option. So that gives me that buyer's protection. So I click on that. And then if I scroll down, I can click that Send Money Now button to proceed with the payment. So I've now sent $1 Australian to Tips and Tricks HQ. Let's take a look at what that looks like now. So as you can see, I've sent $1 and that is the gross amount. So I'm shown that I haven't been charged a PayPal fee on my end. That is important to remember. It's only on my end that I wasn't charged that PayPal fee. So from here, it looks like there was no fee involved at all. But in a second, I'm going to show you that there was actually a fee on the recipient's end. So that was because I chose that buyer's protection. So as you can see here, here is the receiving end. You can see that there was actually that PayPal fee of 0.33 cents in Australian dollars. So the total that they actually received was 67 cents. So that would have included that 2.6% of $1 Australian plus that 30 cents fixed fee. So it's important to remember this when you're trying to send money, especially for marketplace purchases where you want to eat the fee yourself. You'll need to consider what fee you're going to be charged and then add that sort of on top of what you're sending to then eat that fee. So that basically sums up this tutorial on trying to show you the PayPal fee for sending money via the goods and services option. Hopefully that clears it up a little bit for you. Before I go, just to make you aware of a couple more things, the fee being charged can vary a little dependent on the person you are sending to and when that person created their PayPal account and the fee cost promised at that time. If it comes to a decimal point, such as 2.6% of $1, they may also round up.